So, your Samsung phone's power button is not working. When you plug in your charger, you can see that your phone is not dead and is still working. But when you try to power the phone, it does not work. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on your Samsung phone without using the power button. For you to be able to power your phone without the power button, you will need two things: a laptop and a cable. My phone uses Type-C, so I'm using a Type-C cable. Make sure the cable is functional, or else this will not work. One way to tell is to check if it charges your phone. Then you also need a laptop or computer with any operating system. So, to turn on your phone using this method, you need to plug the cable into your PC. Don't plug the other end of the cable into your phone yet. What you should do instead is to hold down the volume up and down buttons simultaneously. Then plug the USB cable into the phone. Continue holding down the buttons for a few seconds. You will have to do this until your Samsung phone displays a developer mode like this. If yours did not enter this mode, then you might need to change your cable. Next, you want to press the volume down button like this just once. Be careful here, because pressing the wrong button can lead to a fatal problem. As you can see on the screen, the volume up buttons will factory reset your phone. The volume down button will cancel the reset and turn on the phone for us. So we will click on the volume down button. When your phone starts booting, you can remove the cable as we no longer need it. And just like that, we were able to power on our phone without the power button. If this video helps you, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.